Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today I want to show you guys how to use the all new Jio Meeting app. This is the app we are talking about. This is the app. So if you want to install this app, it's free. All you have to do is just go to your app store. If you're using Android device, just go to Google Play Store. It's there for free. Then you download it. If you're using Apple device, you go to Apple Store for free. So if you have downloaded and installed it, you just click on open like this. So that's it, the app is open. So I just want to walk you through the interfaces. If you want to start a new meeting, a conversation, or a video conferencing just immediately, all you have to do is to sign in. That is, if you're opening it for the first time, it's going to ask you to create an account. So you just create an account, sign up for free, put your name, email address, your surname, and then create a password. That's it. So when you are here now on this screen, this first interface here, is for you to start a new meeting. So if you want to start a sudden meeting with someone, you can just use this. But this is not advisable if you're going to be doing the meeting regularly, because the meeting ID is also going to be changing. So it's just for a one-time meeting. Then if you have been invited by someone and you want to join the meeting, you click on join a meeting, which is this. Join a meeting, which is this one here. To join a meeting, and there you will be asked to enter the meeting ID, and if there is a password, to enter the password. Then you'll be allowed to join the meeting. Then if you want to host a meeting, this is the place you come to schedule the meeting. You will be here to enter the date and the time that the meeting is going to commence. The good thing about this is that you can keep reusing it. The meeting ID and the password remains the same. You can keep reusing it. And bear in mind also that you cannot schedule a meeting and start it immediately. You need an interval of at least 15 minutes. Yes, that's how Jiomeet works. Unlike Zoom app, you can just create a meeting and join almost immediately, even if the time is not yet. Your participants can join. It's not the same with Jiomeet. And then the last interface I want to introduce you is the share screen. They also have the regular share screen feature where you can share your screen. Supposing you want to show a video to your participants, or you want to show a video or a picture, so you can show your participants using this share screen, and it can also play videos and sound so they can hear. So these are the basic interfaces that you are going to see when you are using the Jio Meeting app. So if you have more questions, please feel free to share. I'm going to answer your questions in the comment section. Thank you for watching. See you again on the very next video.